Hello everyone, welcome to Size Zero Recipes. Today I am sharing a recipe of gluten-free noodles. It is millet noodles. Mine one is jawar noodles. Here I am taking a stainless steel kadhai from the brand Mir. It is 100% nickel-free and made from the Japanese technology. First we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And along with that I am going to add Himalayan pink salt. After that, we will be adding the noodles in the water and boil them. We will give a good boil to the noodles and stir in between to check whether it is cooked or not. And when the noodles are cooked, we will switch off the flame. Now, I have strained the noodles in the strainer and have poured the normal water so that the noodles do not stick together. Now again we will switch on the flame in the kadhai and add 1 tablespoon of wood pressed olive oil, or you can use any other wood pressed oil as per your choice. Add 1 spoon of green chilies finely chopped. Now I will be adding 1 cup of finely cut onions. Cook the onions till it becomes golden brown in color. Now I will be adding half cup of finely chopped carrots, and along with that I'll be adding 1 cup of capsicum and 1 cup of cabbage that is finely chopped. We will mix all the veggies and we will be adding the salt again. Now to cook the veggies evenly, we will close the lid of the kadhai and wait for the veggies to be cooked nicely. When the veggies will be cooked nicely, we will check it, and after that I am going to add the noodles in the veggies. Now I will be adding half a teaspoon of black pepper oil, and along with that I'll be adding homemade tomato ketchup, that is 1 tablespoon. You can add as many sauces and condiments as per your choice. It's up to you to increase the flavor. And for all my junkie out there, this is a good gluten-free meal. Enjoy!